Hello and welcome to another Hart Moto video, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a simple but very practical upgrade for trail and adventure riders, the Oxford Products Trail Mirror. The Oxford Trail Mirror is designed specifically for trail, adventure and off-road style motorcycles. It's a folding mirror system built to cope with rough riding conditions while still offering clear, usable visibility on the road. The mirrors come supplied as a pair and include mounting hardware, such as handlebar clamps and adapters, making them suitable for a wide range of bikes. One of the key features is the convex anti-glare mirror glass. This provides a wider field of view and helps reduce glare in bright conditions, making it easier to see what's happening behind you, whether you're riding on the road or out on the trails. The mirrors use a ball and socket mounting system with full 360-degree adjustment, allowing you to position them exactly where you want. They also fold inwards, which is ideal for tight trails, filtering, or simply protecting them when the bike is parked or transported. Build quality feels solid, with durable materials designed to handle vibration and the occasional knock that comes with trail riding. They're also E-marked, meaning they're fully road legal as well as practical for off-road use. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Feel free to comment in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the next video.